Donikun Korini একটা পুরো okay. So this is 2015, but question number 8 means in section B. Question number 8A, okay, and this is of 3 marks. Okay, so AB and CD are two chords. AB and CD are two chords of a circle intersecting at P. Prove that. See children, it is prove that. So you have to write given to prove and then proof. Prove that AP into, this is your theorem, AP into PB is equal to CP into PD. Okay, so if the theorem, if you haven't gone through the proof, you can do it later, but this proof is there in your textbook. Okay, so this is a theorem that is asked to prove. You already know this, right? The product of the, this is which the diagram is given internal. So now there are two cases in this diagram. If two chords intersect internally and externally, so this is internally. The diagram is given like this. Okay, so the proof you have to write. So you can go through the proof given in the textbook. If you don't understand the simple, it is very simple, but if you still don't understand, you can ask me. Okay, only thing is, children, 1 point, 1 second. This proof you will not understand until I do similarity with you. Similarity chapter is involved in this proof. So what you do is, right now don't hassle yourself, let the similarity chapter be over, then you can understand the proof easily. Okay children, so but you don't forget, you have to do, write down the proof. Near the proof you can keep after similarity is done. Okay, then you will understand better. Okay, now next question. So proofs are asked. Anyhow, nowadays it has become a trend to ask proofs. Earlier they never used to ask, but recently they have started asking. Okay, the next board question let us do. This is just the proof. Okay. Next board question is in the year 2014. Question number 7B. So this is the section B, that is optional part, and the marks are 3. Okay, the question says, in the given figure, diameter AB and chord CD of a circle meet at P. Okay, PT is a tangent. PT is a tangent to the circle at T. CD is equal to 7.8 centimeter. PD is equal to 5 centimeter. PB is equal to 4 centimeter. Fine. In these questions, you need not write given and all that. Straight away, you have to do the calculations. Find 1 AB, 2 length of tangent PT. Okay, the diagram is like this. This is actually touching, huh? Don't worry, slightly did not touch. What else they have given? This is the diagram they have given. I am writing the measurements for your sake. They don't give the measurements in the diagram, but I am writing for you. CD is 7.8. So, and PD is 5 cm. PD. And PB is 4 centimeter. PB is 4 centimeter. So you have to find AB. AB is question mark and PT. Okay, try to do it. All those whose cameras are working, switch on please. Everybody, only Karthik and Bhargavi, only two cameras are working. Everybody else cameras are not working or they don't have. Yes, do it. I feel good to see. Otherwise, only letters. Who is this A? Anushka, Ananya, Nili, Parth, Tanishka. Nili is not there. Nilisha, you are there. The camera is not working. It's working, it's working. I can see your beautiful face. Good. Yes, Tanishka. Hello, good evening. Who is this? Prutham, yours is not working. Rian, not working. Only R. I have to satisfy myself with that letter R. Seeing the letter R. Vinayak, V. V for victory. अक्षत, ये दोस्ती हमारी बहुत गहरी है. किसके साथ दोस्ती है पता नहीं. Two friends. Akshat, and who is the other one? I can't make up. Huh? Okay. AB. Acha, answer you are giving. 1 second. AB, how much? I'll have to go check once because here it is telling 12. Hold on. Here the answer may be wrong because sometimes there are errors in these answers, but you also go through once. It is given as 12. Oh. You can, but here they have told directly CD. So you have to take CD as the chord that is intersecting. Okay? Ha ha. Diameter correct. Perfectly correct. Yes, yes. That is what. You are in the right direction, but somewhere you have gone calculation wrong. See, first of all, what will you take? PC into PD. These are the PC into PD are the product of the segments, right? PC into PD is equal to PT square. That is the square. That is the theorem says square of the tangent. So now AB is also a chord, very right. AB and the tangent are intersecting. So you will have one more equation, that is PA into PB is also equal to PT square, right? First one is PC into PD is PT square because chord CD and the tangent are intersecting. The other chord AB and the tangent are intersecting. So there it will be PA into PB is equal to PT square. Equation 1, equation 2. So both are equal to PT square. So you can equate PC into PD is equal to PA into PB. Or shall I do it and show? Do it and show? Okay, okay. See, here you see, one is CD is a chord, and when you produce it, it is intersecting and externally with the tangent PT. So according to that, what will be the relation? What are the segments of the chord? PC into PD. Okay. What you are telling the answer? Huh. Equation will be PC into PD from the point of intersection to the two extremities. PC into PD is equal to PT square. Okay, PC, this everybody followed as per the theorem. This is okay. What is the theorem? When a chord and a tangent intersect externally or internally, that is also there, but here it is externally, the product of the segments of the chord is equal to the square of the tangent. Okay, suppose this you give it as equation 1. Now AB is also the diameter, but diameter is also a chord. So this AB diameter and the tangent PT are intersecting again at P. So the PA product of the segments PA into PB, okay, PA into PB is equal to PT square. This is equation 2. That both have the same reason. Okay, so you will write here together. You can write when consecutively you are having the same reason, you can combine them and write the when a tangent and a chord intersect externally, the product of the segments of the chord is equal to the square on the tangent. Okay, okay, let me now let me cross check. So 1 and 2 imply 1 and 2, what do they imply? PC into PD is equal to PA into PB. This is another equation. Okay, now let us now what? Your network has gone down, so you're not able to see. Now you're back. Okay. So now PC into PD is equal to PA into PB. Now what we know? We know what all we know. CD is 3.8. PD is, how much is PD? 5 centimeter and PB is 4. Okay, this is what is given. What is given? CD 7.8 centimeter. You need not write, I am writing so that I can verify. I mean cross check. And PB is 4 centimeter. So here you see in the diagram PA. What is PAC? PA is PB plus AB. Agreed? Okay. So, hmm, huh? Yeah, very good. Huh? So, PA is equal to PB plus AB from the diagram. You understood now? I showed you. PA is equal to PB plus AB. That's what I wrote. Now, in this, we know PB is 4 centimeter. It is given. PB is 4 centimeter. This one. So, implies this is equal to PB is 4 plus AB. Okay. Now PC is equal to C. PC. Where is PC? This one. PC is equal to PD plus DC. Yeah, CD. Okay. So PC is equal to PD plus CD, that is equal to 5 plus 7.8, that is given. So 12.8, right? So substituting these values in equation 3, which is equation 3, this one. Okay. So PC we got 12.8. PD is given as, PD is given, yes, 5. PD is given as 5 is equal to, now 4 plus AB is PD. No, sorry, PA. PA is, in place of PA we are writing this 4 plus AB. 4 plus AB into PB is given how much? PB is given, PB is 4 centimeter, right? PB is given 4 centimeter. You followed everyone this step? So now we have to calculate. Hold on children, just 1 second, I have to take this call. Hello. हाँ नीचे ओके ओके जास्मिन जा नीचे जाओ okay children. So now we have 4 plus AB is equal to 12.8 into 5 upon 4. So 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 4 twos are. So that is it. 4 plus AB is equal to 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, plus 1 16. So implies AB is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12 centimeters. So this is one answer. Okay. Is that clear? 12 is correct. Then we have to find out we have to find PT. So we know PT square is equal to PA into PB. So that is equal to PA is 12.8. Here we got, isn't it? PA is 12.8, right? Huh? Right, right. So, PA is 4 plus, where is that? And PA, where is PA? 4 plus AB, but AB now we got as 12. So, PA will be 6, sorry. PA will be 16 and PB is how much? PB, where is PB? PB is 4. Okay, here. So, 4. So, PT square is equal to 64. So, PT is equal to square root of 64, that is 8 centimeter. This is your answer 2. Okay, this is your answer 2 and this is answer 1. Okay, children, understood? Now let us do one more. You want to copy it or shall I proceed? Any of this Priya ma'am will be sending, I think. Or you want to copy? Copy? Okay. Now, other question. Shall we go proceed? Everyone? Shall we proceed? Okay. This is of the year 2013. Question 6B. So, second section, 3 marks. Okay. In the given circle, with center O, angle ABC is equal to 100 degrees. Angle ACD is equal to 40 degrees and CT is a tangent to the circle at C. Find angle ABC and angle DCT. Okay, the diagram is like this. So what all you have to find? Angle ADC. So this is one question mark. Another is DCT. DCT. So this is another. Try. All are there. Everyone have gone behind except Bhargavi. All are hiding. Huh? Ah. Why you are not? It is not visible. Acha. Now? Oh, acha. That has gone. Acha. Yes. Can you see? Hmm? Angle. 1 second. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Let me check. Angle ADC. DCT is 60. Angle DCT is 60 given. And same. Angle ADC. Where is angle ADC? 80. Ang- Angle ADC 80 and angle DCT 60. Okay. Huh? See, first what will you do? Sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral 180 that you वो use करके आप ADC निकाल लोगे. This ADC what? 1 second. I'll tell you. See, ये तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो इमीडिएटली आपको आ जाएगा. Angle B 100 degree, angle D is the opposite angle to the cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. तो ये 100 है तो ये 80 degrees, right? तो angle ADC एक step. It lies ADC, angle ADC and which angle? No, no. ADC is in this segment, major segment. ABC is in the minor segment. Uh, Line AC. Then see, this is the center. So AC is not the diameter. Isn't it? Which which one you are telling 90 degree? I did not get it. This one, angle D, which I am telling 80. That has to be 80 degree only, na? Because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Out of that, if one is 100, the other one has to be 80. Then only the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral can be. See, ADCB is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this has to be 80. Okay. So the theorem that you will be using is the opposite. I tell you now, this theorem is very, very important. So this is used. What is that? The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degrees. Then you will have to join OA and OC. Okay. Now OA and OC are the radii of the circle. Agreed? Now you will use this 80 degree, that is the angle in the remaining part of the circle, and the angle at the center will be double this angle. So this angle, what is this? Angle AOC will be 160 degrees. Isn't it? Why? Because the angle at the center is double the angle in the remaining part of the circle. So A 160. Now OA is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. So angles equal, opposite to equal size will be equal. So in this triangle OAC, this part will be X. A triangle में. Why? Because isosceles triangle. Huh? So 2x will be 180 minus 160. Isn't it? So x will be how much? So you are getting. Is it clear, or shall I write and show? I think I should write and show to you. Okay, I'll write it. This one, what I was telling is this one. Existent, huh? Are you following? Since no one was answering me, I was lost. I thought whether you are following or not. Everybody followed existent? Everyone? Or shall I write it and show? सब मौन व्रत लेके बैठे हैं. अब मुझे मन की बात समझना है. हाँ तनिष्का. हाँ बट यहाँ तक तो समझ में आया ना. एवरीबडी फॉलो टिल हियर. हाँ, double 80 का double 160 that you all follow. So let me proceed. Then I get encouraged now that you are understanding. Okay. So this is 80. We got it by using opposite angles. Once we get this 80, we know angle AOC is 160. What is the theorem we are using? The angle at the center is double the angle in the remaining part. Now in this triangle OAC, OAOC karke radii of the circle. So we got x as 10. Right? Now, so then see. अब देखो angle OCA and angle OCD. ये देखो, ये ऑलरेडी 40 दिया हुआ है आपको. Isn't it? डायग्राम में ही दिया हुआ है. Am I right? See diagram में. हाँ. Out of that, this is 10. Which one? This x. Getting? See, this angle is 10. हाँ, so ये 30 हो जाएगा. हाँ, अभी कौन सा एंगल 30 आया? OCD is 30 degrees. Okay, but the radius, that is OC, and the tangent TC at the point of contact make 90 degrees. This one. Out of that, this part is 30. So what will be this part? 60. What is that? DCT. Okay? Followed? Now, in this question, they have stopped here. But I can ask you one more question. Once you know angle DCT is 60 degrees, Can you tell me what will be angle CAD? Huh? Huh? Ah, exactly. Now I am asking the reverse way. Yes, right. That is right. Absolutely right. And since I am now we got this is 60, which is this 60 angle between the chord CD and the tangent. So alternate segment, according to that alternate segment theory, angle CAD will be also 60 degrees. Okay? That is one question they could have asked, or they could have asked what will be the angle OAD. तो आपको क्या होगा, x हमको पता है 10 degrees. So what will be OAD? 60 minus 10, 50. All these questions could have asked, can be asked. They did not ask. Okay, they asked only these two, but I am just giving you examples. Is that clear, or shall I write the statements and show? Will you be able to write the statements? Okay, shall I proceed? Okay, shall I proceed to the next question? Yes? ये दोनों तो मुंडी हिला दिया, कार्तिक एंड भार्गव. बाकी letters are not responding. I can only see letters. Ah, tell me now, at least talk, at least show your face. How odd I feel. Can you imagine seeing no one and just teaching? Can you imagine my plight? Huh? Without anybody in front, or maybe with my family members. I can only see my family members roaming around. And you people are only hiding. Don't want to show your faces without makeup. Hmm? So just think of my plight. How will I understand whether you are following, not following? हाँ? स्कूल में हम लोग को कैसे आदत है, क्लास में we are all one to one. Here I'm speaking, going on speaking like a mad woman. Huh? The other members in my family must be thinking ये किससे बात करती है, लैपटॉप के सामने बैठ के बातें करती रहती है, सटिया गई है ओल्ड एज में. Huh? So let me see your faces. I also get encouraged to teach, right? Okay, so now let me proceed to the next question. Everyone understood? Don't feel shy. Everyone understood? You will be able to write now? Okay, now let me go to the next question. Huh? Yes? Who is calling me, ma'am? Anybody? Wants anything? Oh, okay, okay. What? Ha. What you told is right. You were only telling me, na, the other method? Yeah, right. Absolutely correct. Right. One sum can be solved in different ways, but only thing is the way should be correct, mathematically correct. Okay. Now, let me go to the next question, board question 2012. Question 3A. So it came in the compulsory section. The question says, question 3A. How many marks? 3 marks. Okay. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. And AB is a tangent at B. Okay. If AB is equal to 15 centimeter. AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, the diagram is very simple. Oh, sorry. AB is the tangent. Okay. So what is given in the figure? O is the center of the circle. AB is the tangent at B. Okay. If AB is equal to 15 centimeter, so this is 15 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7.5. 7.5 centimeter. Find the radius. Radius क्या है? OC. This is question mark. Okay. Do it very simple. Straight away you have to use the theorem and substitute the values. Or you may get the diameter first, then you have to find out the radius. You will first get yes. $11 point. Right, very good. First you will get the diameter, right? And then you will divide by 2. Cabbage. Okay. Finished? Everyone got? No? Shall I do it and show? Bhargavi? Ruta, what? Yeah, I'll show. See, this is the tangent AB and CD is the diameter, but it's also a chord. So a chord and a tangent are intersecting externally. Then the product of the intercepts, segments. Yes. So this will be AC into AD. AC into AD. Do you agree? Everybody agrees? Tomorrow is possible, not today. If this everybody agrees, the product of the segments of the chord. So AC and AD. Okay? Right? Is equal to square of the tangent. Now, AC is given to us. How much? 7.5. So let us substitute. AC is 7.5. into, what is AD? AD is 7.5 plus CD. Do you agree? AD is 7.5 plus CD is equal to, and what is AB? 15, so 15 square. Everybody agrees till here? Okay. So, so 7.5 plus CD, 15 square is 225, or keep it as 15 into 15 upon 7.5. This is multiplying, so it will divide. Okay, so this implies 7.5 plus CD is equal to 15 into 15 into 10 upon 75. You agreed? By multiplying by 10, we are removing the decimal. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 5 ones are 5 threes are. So implies 7.5 plus CD is equal to 30, 3 into 10. So this implies CD is equal to 30. CD is equal to 30 minus 7.5. So implies CD is equal to, this one will become 5, 9 minus 7, 2 and 2, 22.5. But CD is the diameter. They want us radius. So radius is equal to CD upon 2. That is equal to 22.5 upon 2. So that is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are. Okay. 11.25 centimeter. Clear? Everyone? Understood everyone? Okay. Now the next question. Okay, next question is from the year 2011. Shall we start? Shall I proceed? I'm scrolling down. Nobody is copying, no? This is 2000. Everybody is able to see now? This is question 2C. Matlab, in the compulsory section and 4 marks. Do you observe? In the compulsory section, whenever the question is asked, it is coming for 4 marks. And whenever it is asked in the optional section, it is coming for 3 marks. No general rule. They can always change. But that is what I am observing. Okay. Now, this question 2C. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. Tangents. One tangent gives us problem. There are now 2 tangents. Tangents at A and B meet at C. Full stop. If angle ACO is equal to 30 degrees, find 3 sub-questions. One is angle BCO, second is angle AOB, and third is angle APB. Okay, and diagram is like this. These are two tangents touching at A and B. Okay, two tangents at A and B meet at C. This is C. Okay, and O is the center. OA, OB, OC. This angle is 30 degrees given. So what we have to find angle BCO. BCO. This is question mark. This angle. Then, huh? 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 कौन सा? BCO. Yes. Very good. Huh? Angle AOB and angle APB. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. सबको आया? This is 120. This is 60. Any doubts? Acha. Those who got, tell me what all you used. हाँ हाँ. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी करके क्या किया? थ्री 360. ओके. फर्स्ट आपने OAC किया. OAC की. One second. आपको 1 second. Let me see check whether what you are telling is correct or not. आपने OAC निकाला because this is 90 degree, right? This is 30. हाँ. So this will be OAC 60. Then OAC is equal to BOC. क्या reason? The tangent subtends. If two tangents are drawn to a circle, then there is. Okay, fine. That is also another way. Yes. Who is that who proved congruent? Okay. Hmm. हाँ. Yes. Yes. This is also 30. So 30 plus 30 plus 90 plus 90 plus angle, this whole thing. So whole thing you will get together. Right, that is also right. Then center of the angle. Angle at the center is double. उस हिसाब से ये 60 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, करेक्ट. ओके. Everyone else, anybody has any doubt? No one has doubt now? Okay. Then let me proceed. Okay, 2010. This came in the year 2010. Question 6B, मतलब optional part. Huh? And marks 3. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle and AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent to it at B. Angle BDC is equal to 65 degrees. Find angle BAO. Okay, the diagram is so find BAO. BAO. So this is find question mark. Do it. Excellent. Let others do, then we will discuss. Karthik, doing? Yeah. Let everyone finish. What Karthik? BAO 40? What? Everybody got it? What all theorems you use? Radius and tangent are perpendicular. Isn't it? At the point of contact वो एक एंगल वो एक थ्योरम होगा बिकॉज ABO 90 मिलेगा आपको फिर ABO 90 मिल जाएगा तो आपको क्या मिलेगा फिर उसके बाद? एंगल बी सी डी, ये कौन सा सम ऑफ द एंगल्स इन ए ट्राइंगल इज 180 करके, हाँ बी सी डी मिल जाएगा। कितना? 20। हाँ, बी सी डी मिल जाएगा तो बी ओ ई मिल जाएगा, एंगल एट द सेंटर इज डबल द एंगल करके। और बी ओ ई मिलने के बाद आपको फिर बी ए ओ ट्राइंगल में फिर से वही सेम सम ऑफ द एंगल्स यूज करके आ जाएगा 40। Right? Everybody got it? Others? Huh? Everybody got it? Okay. Shall I proceed? Okay, now I got this one question. Like in the other years, there are questions, but they are from the other chapter for cycle. Now I am searching where the questions are based on this tangents, and then I am giving you. Okay. Now this is in the year 2008. You are able to see, na? Children? Okay. 6B. Year is 2008. Okay. In the given figure, PQ is equal to QR and angle RQP is equal to 68 degrees. PC and CQ are tangents to the circle with center O. Calculate the values of angle QOP and angle QCP. Let me draw the diagram. Okay, and PQ is equal to QR. This is given. PQ is equal to QR given. Angle RQP. RQP is 68 degrees. That is given. PC and CQ are tangents. PC and CQ are tangents. Find, calculate the value of QOP. QOP. This is question mark. And QCP. QCP. This is question. Okay, these two things you have to find. QOP and QCP. QOP. How much? QOP. No. QOP is angle at the center, na? 112. Huh? Yes. QOP is 112. Huh? Where is, what is asked? QCP is asked. 68. So tell me what all theorems you used. Huh? Huh? What you use, beta? Little louder. I can't hear you. Huh? R for which one? Which triangle you used? PQR. So you to get, in order to get angle R and angle P, that is angle QRP and QPR, right? So you have to write in triangle PRQ, RQ is equal to PQ. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle, because the theorem is angles opposite to equal sides are equal, not isosceles triangle. The theorem is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Then you will show that each angle is 180 minus 68 divided by 2. Okay, then what did you do? Louder. What? Ha, double the angle, and the angle at the center is double the angle in the remaining part of the circle. Okay. Then, which is cyclic quadrilateral? Wait. Which is cyclic quadrilateral? Huh? I can't see which one is cyclic. सी ये वाला ट्रायंगल ले लो ना. देखो. हाँ. आर आपको पता है, हाँ, पी क्यू सी, पी क्यू सी एंड पी आर क्यू, they are equal, isn't it? See children, यहाँ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रेटरल नहीं है चिल्ड्रन, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रेटरल नहीं है। आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? एंगल पी क्यू सी, विच इज दैट? पी क्यू सी। कैन यू सी दिस एंगल? व्हाट इज दिस एंगल? एंगल बिटवीन ए tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the remaining part. So this, but this you already know. How much is that? How much did you get this angle R? No, PQ is not the radius. Ha, OQC will be 90, yes. OP, हाँ, ये 90 होगा, ये 90 होगा, हाँ। तो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल में, हाँ, आप वो 360 यूज किया, राइट? ये वैल्यू आपको पता है, ये 90, ये 90, 180 हो गया, तो आपको आ जाएगा ये 180 माइनस 112, राइट? सो ये 68 आ जाएगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो अनदर वे. यस, rather that is the way I think. Any other method anybody used? Because this is 90, this is 90. So in a quadrilateral, sum of the four angles is 360. उसमें से 90 90 चला गया तो 180 बचा. 180 from 180 if you subtract 112 you get this. Got it? हाँ? No, उससे साइक्लिक नहीं होगा. What is the definition of a cyclic quadrilateral? If all the four vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle, then it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Acha, you are telling because these two are sum of the two angles is 180. ना, but उस हिसाब से, अच्छा, then these two are also supplementary. Okay, right, yes. So, but you have to write properly. First you have to say this plus this, that is angle P plus angle Q. This is 180. So since the opposite angles are quadrilateral of a quadrilateral are supplementary, the quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, the remaining two angles also should be 180. That is angle O and angle C should be 180. So that is equal. That is also correct. That is also correct. या पूरा क्वाड्रिलेटरल लेके 360 माइनस 180 माइनस 112, 118 because 90 plus 90 and then minus 112 करोगे तो भी आ जाएगा. ओके, सबको समझ में आया? एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वन मोर. Okay, so next question. This is also same year, 10A. Yeah, 9. I can't see the print. Whatever is the year. Okay. In the figure, AE and BC intersect each other each other at D. If angle CDE is equal to 90 degrees, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BD is equal to 4 centimeter, and CD is equal to 9 centimeter. Find D. Okay, so diagram is like this. This is C, AE, this is D. So what is given in the figure? AE and BC intersect each other at point D. CDE is 90 degrees. This one, CDE is 90 degrees. AB is 5 centimeter. This AB. This is 5 centimeter. AB. Okay. AB is 5 centimeter. BD is 4 centimeter. BD, this one. BD is 4 centimeter. CD is 9 centimeter. Find DE. Okay. Ah. Oh. Yes, right. But still, let me show it. Now, this small triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. Do you agree, all of you? So, in right angled triangle, ADB, what is AD? AD is equal to square root of AB square minus BD square. Do you agree? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the, according to Pythagoras theorem, sum of the side squares on the other two sides. So AD will be hypotenuse square minus BD square. Everybody agrees? By Pythagoras theorem. So this implies AD is equal to square root of AB is how much? 5 square minus BD is how much? 4 square. So implies AD is equal to how much? 25 minus 16. So implies AD is equal to 9. Okay. AD square, no, sorry, AD square is 9. So AD will be 9, square root of 9, that is 3. Right? Do you agree? Square root of, wait, 9, that is 3. Okay. What is this? AD. AD kahan hai ye? This is 3 centimeter. Now, two chords are intersecting internally. Which are the two chords? One is this AE, the other one is BC. Huh? They are intersecting internally at D. So, their product of the segments is equal. Do you know that theorem? So, क्या होगा? According to that theorem, DA, this is the point of intersection. So, DA into DE is equal to BD into DC. Right? Huh? So, DA into DE is equal to BD into DC. What is the theorem? When two chords intersect, the product of their segments is equal. So according to that this. So now substitute DA हम लोग को अभी आया DA कितना दिया है DA is how much DA is 3 centimeter, right? So we'll substitute 3 into DE, we don't know. Then DB is how much? DB of DB is 4, yes. DB is 4 into DC. What is DC? DC is 9. Given, na? This from here to here 9. Hmm? Isn't it? Why 9 plus 4? Only 9. Okay. So implies DE is equal to 4 into 9 upon 3. So DE is equal to 12 centimeters. That is the answer. Okay. Clear? One more. This is a very simple one. Shall I give? Yes? Okay. Very simple one. This came in the year 2007. Very simple. And in section D. In the figure, PT is a tangent find PT if AT is equal to 16 centimeter and AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Now diagram is touching, huh? तो क्या क्या दिया? PT is a tangent, PT is a tangent, PT, find PT, what is given? AT, AT is 16 centimeter and AB, PT is 8, yes. हाँ, तो इस कौन सा फॉर्मूला? TA इंटू TB, TA इंटू TB इज इक्वल टू PT स्क्वायर, वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करो, राइट? समझ में आया? TA इंटू TB क्या थ्योरम? When a chord and a tangent intersect externally, the square on the tangent is equal to the product of the segments of the chord, isn't it? So AB is the chord, point of intersection is T, so TA into TB is equal to PT square, that is the tangent square. So TA आपको क्या दिया आपको? हाँ, पूरा this is 16, okay, out of that this is 12, so what will be TB? 4. So TA is 16, TB is 4, that is PT square. So PT square is 16 4s are 64. So PT is 8. Okay? Followed everyone? Do you have energy? Or shall we stop here? Already we have finished 1.5 hours. If you have energy, I can give you one more. One more and stop. Okay, one more last. Done? हाँ? क्या? कोई तो अनम्यूट करो. नहीं करना है क्या कार्तिक? टायर्ड हो गए? What about others? अनुष्का, अनन्या? हाँ? होमवर्क दे दूं? एक क्वेश्चन? अच्छा, ओके. वो होमवर्क तो भगवान भरोसे होता है, हम कभी करते ही नहीं होमवर्क. कर लोगे? चलो, 2 क्वेश्चन दूंगी, फिर होमवर्क दूंगी तो 2 दूंगी, एक नहीं. Shall I give 2 more as homework? ओके, तो चलो ये आप लिखो होमवर्क 2006. Oh, this is 2006, question 6A. In the figure, AB is the diameter,